Time now for our bite of the week, and it comes from a St. Thomas resident, Jean Blair. She was appealing for quick intervention to stop two boulders from rolling onto a house and possibly causing death. Here's our bite of the week.
One house below, Lord, if this stone go down there, nothing less. And I rent the people them up here. And everybody now go get. We don't want nothing, we just want help. Now wait till when somebody, one vehicle go over there, when somebody dead. We don't have no money for bury no dead, no. It's farming we do. It's hard, we can't bury no dead.